If you're looking for a powerful phone monitoring app that can help parents keep an eye on their children's online activities, then this video is for you. Today, I'll review uMobix, explain its key features, show how it works, and walk you through the installation process step by step. Let's get started. What is uMobix? uMobix is a phone monitoring application designed primarily for parents who want to monitor their children's smartphone activity. It supports both Android and iPhone devices and allows users to monitor calls, text messages, social media activity, GPS location, browser history, and much more from a web-based dashboard. Now let's talk about key features of uMobix.
Live screen recording. View screen activity in real time. Keylogger captures everything typed, including passwords. Social media monitoring tracks Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. Location tracking with geofencing. Get alerts if the device enters restricted areas.
Let's talk about pros and cons of uMobix. Pros list: easy installation process, real-time data updates, GPS location tracking, call and SMS monitoring, social media monitoring, user-friendly dashboard. Cons list: requires access to the device during setup. Some features depend on device permissions. iPhone monitoring capabilities may differ from Android devices due to iOS restrictions. Is uMobix worth it? If you're a parent looking for a monitoring solution that combines GPS tracking, call monitoring, SMS tracking, social media monitoring, and web activity tracking in one dashboard, uMobix is definitely worth considering. It offers a wide range of monitoring tools and a relatively simple setup process. Just remember to use monitoring software responsibly and in accordance with local laws and consent requirements. Thanks for watching. If you found this uMobix review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software reviews and tutorials. And if you'd like to try uMobix for yourself, check out the link in the video description.